What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna work on a Toyota 86 which it belongs to my buddy Jerry. Coated the car probably a year ago, and the coating is still relatively in very good condition because I always see Jerry and I always see the car, and the car is always being drifted. So yeah, it's very good condition. So I'm going to show you guys everything in a cinematic video. Remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, press on the bell button for post notifications, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video.